We have a huge AMA for you guys today. Who do we have the pleasure of speaking with? Can you introduce yourself, please?
Hi, my name is Romel. I'm the founder of Void, this project. And thanks for having me today.
Awesome. So what is Void and what does it hope to achieve?
Well, if you don't know yet, Void is a play to earn game. It is built on Unreal Engine 5 and it will run on Solana. And what we're trying to achieve here is, to get gamers on board and provide them with an awesome game they like to play. And because we've been looking at these games lately. I mean, I had this vision a couple of years ago, but as you can see now, or at the moment, there's not really games for gamers out there, like play to earn games.
Yeah.
So our goal is really to provide an awesome game and have that play to earn as an incentive. It's not like mainly, hey, you should play this because you can earn. You play this because it's an awesome game.
Yeah. And I love that because there's so many games coming out right now with just like the play to earn tag, and a lot of the games aren't, the greatest. You don't really want to play those games long term. So very excited to see what you guys have releasing. I'm a huge gamer myself. How are NFTs disrupting the gaming industry?
Hey, that's a good question. Well, the thing is, look, gamers, or it's quite new to the gamers, right? I don't know if they're really ready to accept it, or they don't know what NFT is really all about, because gamers are paying money for skins and cosmetics, maps and whatever already, but just put the NFT behind it and all of a sudden they're like, oh, what the hell is this? We don't want this. But I think it's lacking education. And once they really get to know what it is, they actually should be happy that this is happening for them,
Definitely. Yeah. Well, because gamers, like I said, I'm a gamer myself. I put weeks, months, some people put years into games and you never get the reward. So now you get rewarded. It's awesome seeing that. The Voidcoin is launching soon. Can you go into some of the utility it offers?
Well, yeah, of course. I mean, the Voidcoin, we do have that one which is listed. And then we will have an in-game coin as well, like in-game currency. So in general, when you play the game, you can earn tokens, and you can buy NFTs with it. You can trade it in the in-game marketplace, and you can basically buy arenas, armor, put them on, equip them and resell them if you like, or stake your arena and earn money on passively, basically.
That was my next question. I was going to ask, because I saw you guys offered more ways to earn than just play to earn. So can you go into some of those different ways to earn, like staking the arena, and how else could somebody earn on Void games?
Yeah, well, we do have different modes of playing. We do have multiplayer games. There's like versus modes, and there's a PvE mode as well. So as you progress in the story, when you play that, you can earn tokens and NFTs, and when you participate in ranked matches as well. And but if you're holding an arena, or when you play the game, you can like build it at one point or buy them in a marketplace. And this is basically cool because I always say, like, hey, imagine this arena is like your casino, right? People go into the casino, buy in a poker match, and the winner gets the reward, and and the bank, the casino always gets a cut out of it.
Wow, that's awesome. So you really want to own an arena, and you want the arena to be popular, I guess, so people are playing in it. Wow, that's awesome. So how is Void Games unique and differentiated from your competitors? I know you said play to earn is more of an incentive and it's just not the main focus. So how does it differentiate maybe in gameplay or some of the things you guys offer?
Yeah, good question. Well, I mean, we do have these, first of all, there's PvP and PvE games, right? And sometimes, or most of the time, the games are focused on either PvP only, but lacking in PvE content. Or the other way around. So one thing is we provide both. Of course, the PvP part is the main focus still, but we provide both. You have an awesome story, and you will be able to play versus modes against each other as well. And what differs is, as a player, even because we're trying to bring different platforms into this game, like Twitch, for example. You know, when you want to watch a game or someone play a video game, you go to Twitch and watch them play there. You, as your character, you can basically go into an arena and watch someone play live at that arena in the game, so you don't have to leave the platform. So I think that is the main difference, or something I haven't quite seen in other games yet.
Well, that's cool because I love playing games, but I love to spectate too. I love to watch, YouTube videos and spectate other gamers and their gameplay. So I could do that at somebody else's arena. That'd be awesome. I see you guys are launching a marketplace. You mentioned that. Is that going to be on Solana? Is it cross-chain? Like, can you share some details about that? Is it just an in-game marketplace, or are you guys going to be selling other NFTs as well?
Well, we will have a marketplace outside the game, because the game, it takes a while until it finishes, but we're offering NFTs already, which you can purchase. It will be on Solana. When the question is always like when and where.
And when Moon.
And we always say soon, and I really like, okay, I really wish to provide the community with a real answer. Like, I mean honestly, right? The thing is all about this.
Setbacks. I just have to ask those questions. I understand there's always hiccups where it's the holidays right now. Everybody needs to enjoy some time with families, so it's understandable. It's coming soon.
Well, it's not about us even. We do have confirmation, and we're just waiting on the paperwork. So to be totally transparent, is like, really, we're just waiting for the contract to be signed, because hey, we cannot announce anything. I mean, they don't want. It's not cool to announce anything before it's written down.
There's non-disclosure agreements and things like that. There's definitely. You don't want to shoot the gun. You don't want to jinx it either. It's understandable.
I want to shoot the gun, man. I want to shoot the gun for sure. But I cannot. I'm sorry.
Definitely.
I'm really.
Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. Crypto play to earn games, they're doing extremely well. The trend's crushing it right now. How do you see that coming in the next years, like over the next 5-10 years, like the improvement in games and just the sector itself?
Well, hey, if it's either it goes straight up this way, or it's not going to be accepted at all. But I think personally it's going to be accepted, and it's gonna it's gonna blow up. And definitely, I mean, games, people want, or need and want good games to play, especially if they're gamers, right? So they really have to step up. We have to step up to really try to stay competitive, and have our game playing, or their game, people want, like playing as long as possible. So if it's just a boring game, or if it's just like, hey, let's bring out the game real quick, it's just like the casual game. You play it for a while and then it dies, right? So I think you really have to provide awesome gameplay.
I agree with you like 1000%. It's crazy how the tables turned. You used to pay for games. Now the games are free. We saw that with like Fortnite and the crossplay, that kind of like, disrupted the gaming industry, in my opinion. And now there's play to earn. They're paying you to play. So you really need to bring value for people to stay. Like, your game needs to be awesome. Talking about games, when I know this is asked all the time, is there a date on the game release, or is that not, possible either?
No, when everything goes as planned, we plan to release in 2023.
Okay, awesome.
End of first quarter, like April, May.
Awesome. Is there like a beta that's coming out? Will people be able to see some sort of gameplay over the year 2022, or maybe even test it?
Yes, definitely. That's a good question. And I want to add on to something to that later. There will be a beta for sure, which a couple of months before the release. Of course, we want to see how the community reacts to it, and we need to see, hey, how buggy is it? Like, how does it work? Because we cannot figure out every detail like by playing it by ourselves, So we have the community play, And we actually have this idea, which or we're gonna reward people in the community as well to play the beta by because we're gonna release this NFT, what do they call this Genesis NFT token. Just Genesis. I'm sorry, we're gonna release this Genesis NFT, right? And this is non-purchasable. You cannot buy this, and everybody who holds $200 of worth of Void tokens and hold it for at least 90 days will be rewarded with this NFT.
Okay, wow.
Genesis NFT. And yeah, it allows you to. We will give you, if you hold this, you will receive how do you say, armor. Like limited armor. Hold on, let me say.
Some weapons, maybe.
I haven't. Now it's like you will receive really, it's like valuable and limited armors, which only Genesis NFT holders will receive, right? Wow. So it's so that's one reward they will receive. And they will get early access to the marketplace when new NFTs release, and they will receive discounts as well, and they will be able to play the beta. So yeah, we want to reward people for staying with us and trusting us, and yeah.
That's very smart. So you need to hold more than $200 for 90 days. Okay.
At least 200.
At least minimum. Okay, awesome. So is it too late for people to join the Void launch IDO? Is it too late? Are there still some fundraising happening, or do they have to wait for TGE now?
Yeah, we had the IDO. We had 5 different launch pads, and like a couple of weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, and it was pretty successful. We sold out pretty quick, which was awesome. Yeah, unfortunately that is over now, so they actually really have to wait until TGE.
Okay, so the hype is real. They're gonna have to wait. Awesome. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I appreciate your time. Looking forward to the successful launch in game. Is there anything else you wanted to add before you head out?
Yeah, well, I've seen the community asking, why are you not transparent? And I mean, I said that before, and I really hope that you really stay with us, because we're still hyped about this. We are working hard. Really, it's not like we want to like keep you waiting for no reason at all. It's not even about how the market is performing at the moment. It's not really on us. And I really wish, because it was planned on my birthday a couple of weeks ago. That was actually supposed to be the release, right? I think. And I wanted it to happen for me as a birthday gift. And unfortunately, that's how it is. I mean, you cannot plan everything. And just hope that people will still trust us. I mean, trust us. I mean, we're working hard as hell, to deliver an awesome game. So yeah, I mean,
we see it. It'll be a successful launch. Thank you for your time, and enjoy the rest of the holidays.
Hey, thanks a lot. Same to you, man.
Thanks.